Hi, this is Ian for the CAT S75 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first hold for a while the home screen with your finger and then tap on the widgets icon. After that, you'll see here all of the available applications with widgets you could add. For example, we can see that the calendar application got two different types of the widgets. To add it to your home screen, you should hold it and move it by this way, and by this way we just successfully added the widget to our home screen. If you want to move widget on the home screen or between the screens to create new screens, for example, you should just hold it and drag it. By the same way, if you want to resize it, hold it for a while, and after that you could make it bigger or smaller. And to remove the widget from your home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.